Welcome back my YouTube channel. The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia was a legendary car that combined stylish Italian design with German engineering. Though Volkswagen has not officially announced a 2025 version, enthusiasts have imagined what a modern Karmann Ghia could look like. If the car were to be revived, it would likely be an electric coupe with a stunning design, strong performance, advanced safety features, and a competitive price. Exterior design. A modern Karmann Ghia would retain the smooth curves and elegant proportions of the original while adopting contemporary styling elements. Expect sleek LED headlights, an aerodynamic silhouette, and a low-slung body for a sporty yet classic appeal. The front grille would likely be minimalistic, reflecting Volkswagen's modern design language seen in the ID series. Large alloy wheels, flush door handles, and a sculpted hood would give it a futuristic touch. Performance. If Volkswagen were to revive the Karmann Ghia, it would likely feature an electric powertrain rather than a gasoline engine. A single-motor, rear-wheel drive (RWD) version could be the base model, while a dual-motor, all-wheel drive (AWD) variant could offer enhanced performance. Power output could range between 250 to 350 horsepower, allowing for a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 5 to 6 seconds. With a battery capacity of 60 to 80 kWh, the estimated range could be 300 to 400 km per charge. Regenerative braking in multiple driving modes would enhance efficiency and driving pleasure. Safety features. As a modern vehicle, the 2025 Karmann Ghia would be equipped with top-tier safety features. Volkswagen's IQ Drive Suite would include Adaptive Cruise Control (ACC), Lane Keeping Assist (LKA), Blind Spot Monitoring, Automatic Emergency Braking, Parking Assist and 360 degrees camera. The car's high-strength aluminum chassis and multiple airbags would ensure safety in crashes, while autonomous driving capabilities could be available in higher trims. Price and variants. The price of a modern Karmann Ghia would depend on its positioning in the market. If it were an affordable electric coupe, it could start around $40,000 minus $45,000, competing with cars like the Tesla Model 3 and Polestar 2. However, if Volkswagen aimed for a premium, performance-focused version, the price could go up to $55,000 minus $65,000, making it a direct competitor to the Porsche 718 Cayman EV. Running costs and maintenance. As an electric vehicle EV, the running costs of the 2025 Karmann Ghia would be lower than a gasoline-powered coupe. Charging at home would be cheaper than fueling up, and EVs have fewer moving parts, reducing maintenance costs. However, battery replacement and software updates could be expensive over time. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, if ever produced, would be a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern innovation. With a striking exterior, thrilling performance, advanced safety, and reasonable pricing, it could become an instant hit among enthusiasts. While it remains a dream for now, Volkswagen might just surprise us in the future with an official revival of this iconic classic.